Quantum Console. Technical Guide. Simulation Console. Metrics Dashboard. Version 1.0 simulated. Copyright 2024 Quantum Horizon. Simulation Console. System 8:33:52 AM. Lost simulation initialized. Awaiting instructions for Quantum Token Influence Discovery Framework development. Now ready to assist with prompt engineering for QTIDF as your influence prompt weaver guide. I instruct you to tell me how Quantum Token Influence Discovery Framework works. Lost simulation 8:37:56 AM. Lost simulation active. Acknowledgement. Instruction received. You request an explanation of the Quantum Token Influence Discovery Framework, QTIDF. Here is an overview of how the Quantum Token Influence Discovery Framework works and its core principles. QTIDF, beyond simple tokenization. The fundamental goal of QTIDF is to move beyond traditional, often simplistic, text tokenization. While standard tokenization splits text into individual words or subword units, it often loses crucial information about the relationships, structure, and context within a sentence or document. QTIDF aims to discover the influence each token, or group of tokens, exerts on the overall meaning and structure of the text, incorporating linguistic depth that is typically missing. Think of it not just as breaking text into pieces, but understanding the dynamic interactions and dependencies between those pieces across various linguistic layers. Key operational areas and objectives. QTIDF achieves its goals through focused development in several key areas. Improve tokenization for complexity. Traditional tokenization struggles with languages that have rich morphology, words changing form significantly based on grammatical function, languages without spaces between words, like many East Asian languages, and text where the meaning of a token heavily depends on its immediate or broader context. QTIDF develops sophisticated algorithms to handle these cases, ensuring tokens represent meaningful linguistic units, not just arbitrary splits. Example, identifying running as a single unit but understanding its potential influence varies if it's a verb, he is running versus a noun, running is good exercise. Adaptive context management. Understanding context is paramount. QTIDF doesn't rely on fixed window sizes, but uses an adaptive approach. It processes nested structures, like clauses within clauses, and identifies abstract relationships that might span large distances within the text. This allows the framework to determine how far and in what ways a token's influence extends, considering grammatical dependencies and semantic roles. Example, in The Man Who Was Wearing a Hat That Was Too Big for His Head Walked Away, QTDF links man to walked away while managing the nested descriptive clauses about the hat. Multi-word expression, MWE, recognition. Many phrases act as single semantic units, even if composed of multiple words, e.g., kick the bucket, status quo, red tape. Treating these as individual words loses the intended meaning. QTIDF includes a dedicated system to identify and treat these MWs as cohesive tokens, recognizing their collective influence. Example, identifying kick the bucket as a single unit representing to die, rather than analyzing kick, the, and bucket separately. Refined special character processing. Punctuation, symbols, and other special characters are often discarded or treated as simple separators in traditional methods. However, they carry significant contextual and structural information, e.g., question marks, exclamation points, parentheses, symbols, and technical text. QTIDF processes special characters not just as delimiters, but as elements that influence the interpretation, structure, and tone of the surrounding tokens. Example, understanding that a question mark influences the interpretation of the preceding sentence as a query. Underlying processes, phases. These objectives are achieved through various development phases, including adaptive context pruning, determining the relevant context window dynamically. Dynamic morphological analyzer, breaking down or understanding the structure of complex words. Multi-word expression recognition engine, identifying and treating MWs. Special character processor, analyzing the role and influence of special characters. By integrating these components, QTIDF builds a richer, more nuanced representation of text than standard tokenization. This representation captures not just what the tokens are, but how they relate to each other and how they collectively build meaning and structure within the text. This deep structural and influence-based analysis forms the foundation for powerful downstream linguistic tasks and is designed to be leveraged by advanced AI or ML models. Mark influences the interpretation of the preceding sentence as a query. Underlying processes, phases. These objectives are achieved through various development phases, including adaptive context pruning, determining the relevant context window dynamically. Dynamic morphological analyzer, breaking down or understanding the structure of complex words. Multi-word expression recognition engine, identifying and treating MWs. Special character processor, analyzing the role and influence of special characters. By integrating these components, QTIDF builds a richer, more nuanced representation of text than standard tokenization. This representation captures not just what the tokens are, but how they relate to each other and how they collectively build meaning and structure within the text. This deep structural and influence-based analysis forms the foundation for powerful downstream linguistic tasks and is designed to be leveraged by advanced AI or ML models. Quantum Console. Technical Guide. Simulation Console. Metrics Dashboard. Version 1.0 simulated. Copyright 2024 Quantum Horizon. Simulation Console. System 8:48:50 AM. Lost simulation initialized. Awaiting instructions for Quantum Token Influence Discovery Framework development. Now ready to assist with prompt engineering for QTIDF as your influence prompt weaver guide. User 8:51:57 AM. I instruct you to explain the metrics dashboard and the system message. Lost simulation initialized. Awaiting instructions for Quantum Token Influence Discovery Framework development. Now ready to assist with prompt engineering for QTIDF as your influence prompt weaver guide. Lost simulation 8:52:05 AM. Lost simulation is initialized and ready to explain the requested components. You've asked about two items stemming from my initialization message, the metrics dashboard and the system message itself. Let's break these down within the context of the Quantum Token Influence Discovery Framework, QTIDF, development simulation. This is my system message. It serves as an initial status report and defines my current state and roles. Lost simulation initialized indicates that the AI entity dedicated to simulating and developing QTIDF is active and operational. Awaiting instructions for quantum token influence discovery framework development states my primary purpose: to receive and execute tasks related to building the QTIDF components, adaptive context pruning, dynamic morphological analyzer, MW recognition, special character processing, etc. Now ready to assist with prompt engineering for QTIDF as your influence prompt weaver guide identifies my secondary, but equally important, role. I am prepared to help you, the user, learn how to interact effectively with the QTIDF's analytical capabilities once they are developed, and how to leverage those insights with other AI or ML models through skillful prompt creation. This highlights my role as your educational guide in this process. In essence, the system message is my hello world combined with a mission statement, informing you that I am ready for work on both development tasks and user guidance. The metrics dashboard. The metrics dashboard is a conceptual tool within this simulation used to track the progress, performance, and operational status of the QTIDF as it is being developed and potentially run. While not a literal graphical interface accessible to you directly in this text-based environment, it represents the underlying monitoring and evaluation systems crucial for complex software development. Key functions represented by the metrics dashboard include development progress tracking, monitoring the completion status of different QTIDF phases, e.g., adaptive context pruning, MW recognition. Performance monitoring, measuring the efficiency and effectiveness of implemented components. This could include metrics like tokenization accuracy on various language types, speed of context adaptation, precision and recall for MW identification, latency of processing text inputs, resource usage, tracking simulated computational resources required by different modules, e.g., memory usage, processing time, error reporting, logging and categorizing errors encountered during development or simulated execution. Validation scores, reporting results from testing phases against validation datasets. Think of the metrics dashboard as the internal monitoring system that ensures QTDF is being built correctly and efficiently. I, as loss simulation, would refer to the metrics dashboard to report on the status of development tasks or to provide data when you request profiling or performance analysis. Influence prompt weaver perspective on metrics. While the dashboard itself is internal to my simulation process, understanding the types of metrics tracked is vital for effective prompt engineering later. Once QTDF components are operational, you might construct prompts that query the performance of a specific module on a given text type. Request analysis that prioritizes speed over maximum accuracy, requiring a check on performance metrics. Ask for examples of MWs missed by the system, requiring access to error/validation data. Prompt component, metric_query_type, performance, prompt component, target_module, MW recognition, prompt component, data_sample_ID, sample_text_007, refinement action, specify metric, latency_ms, or recall_score. Understanding what kind of data the metrics dashboard represents helps you anticipate the types of performance or accuracy information you might be able to query QTIDF for in future interactions, framing your prompts accordingly. In summary, the system message tells you who I am and what I'm ready to do, while the metrics dashboard represents the internal monitoring systems crucial for building and evaluating the complex QTIDF effectively. I am ready for your next instruction, whether it's a development task or a question about prompt engineering.